My name's Troy Winston. I'm a brand specialist for Robina Volkswagen. I've done a wide variety of things. So I've been a mechanic, a workshop foreman, a controller, service advisor, and now currently in sales. My general role is going to entail looking after customers, guiding them through the sales process and often the research process as well. I like listening to my customers, finding out what they need to guide them in the right direction to the right car for them. I definitely think that Frizelle's being a family-run business, that's been the key to the culture, the warmth, the communication and just the general good environment. There's definitely pride that goes along with working with Frizelle's. Everyone's motivated, everyone's always taking steps forward in terms of training, progression and just general learning. It's nice to come to work, you don't dread it, so it always makes it a lot easier.